Alright, so here's the 2-minute keto bread part. I really like putting peppers and onions in my keto bread because it makes it more flavorful. It reminds me of like cornbread or whatever. So I got a half a Carolina Reaper fresh out of my garden, some onion, and I eyeball all the proportions. About a tablespoon of avocado oil, pinch of salt, tablespoons or 1 ounce of almond flour. And I know that somebody's watching this video freaking out about my mismeasuring technique. I do this every morning. That's how much I like to use. And then 1/8 of a teaspoon or a half a teaspoon, whatever, of some baking powder. You can find the recipe from somebody who cares, like about the details. That's what I do every morning. 1 egg. Save the eggshell from my garden, and mixed up. So you know when you microwave stuff and you get those little bits stuck to the side of the bowl and then it like bakes on? I hate that, so make sure you scrape it down. Remember that this has Reaper in it, so everything is now like contaminated. And that's it. Nothing impressive. Go nuke it for 99 seconds. I'll handle that later. Got our sausage going. I like coconut oil, it's a little sweeter. Half a tablespoon or so, or half a soup spoon, whatever. Pan's good and hot. I don't care that you touch it. Alright, we'll start it back up when we get to final assembly.